witnessing a steep rise in coronavirus cases. The national capital has broken all records of a single-day spike with 13,468 fresh cases in 24 hours itself. Delhi has also recorded 81 fatalities yesterday. The capital has witnessed over 10,000 infections for third consecutive day. Delhi government has already converted top 14 private hospitals into COVID-only facilities. The national capital has surpassed Mumbai in daily infections. The question that arises here is this: is Delhi now staring at a lockdown just like Maharashtra? Earlier, Chief Minister Kejriwal hinted at stricter curbs. He was not in favor of a lockdown unless and until it was absolutely required and the healthcare infrastructure could not handle it. He said then only there will be a lockdown. But he was not in favor of it. He said if the hospitals get overburdened and situation deteriorates, then Delhi would go under lockdown. With the COVID situation continuously deteriorating in Delhi, many are wondering whether the national capital Delhi is going to be placed under a lockdown, much like Maharashtra and especially Mumbai. My colleague Ankit Tyagi spoke to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal a couple of days ago, and here is what he had to say on whether a lockdown is on the horizon or not.
मैं आपसे ये समझना चाह रहा हूं क्योंकि शुरुआत से ही आप कहते रहे थे कि लॉकडाउन कोई कोविड के लिए किसी तरह का कोई दवाई नहीं है, उससे आप रोका नहीं जा सकता। तो क्यों आपको लगा जरूरी कि नाइट कर्फ्यू लगाया जाए और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इस तरीके से बढ़ा दिए जाए?
देखिए, मैंने शुरू से कहा है कि लॉकडाउन से कोरोना को ख़त्म नहीं किया जा सकता। लॉकडाउन से और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाने से कोरोना को स्लो किया जा सकता है। जितना लोग आपस में मिलेंगे जुलेंगे, कम मिलेंगे जुलेंगे, कम इंटरेक्शन होगा, उतना कोरोना स्लो हो जाएगा। लेकिन जैसे ही कभी ना कभी तो ज़िंदगी में लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होगा ना। ज़िंदगी भर तो लॉकडाउन केस से ज़िंदगी चल नहीं सकती। जिस दिन आप लॉकडाउन ख़त्म करेंगे, लोग वापस सड़क पे आएंगे, लोग वापस काम पे जाएंगे, फिर से कोरोना बढ़ जाएगा। तो लॉकडाउन कब इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए? मेरा अपना ये मानना है कि जब आपकी हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़, अगर आपको लगे कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन हो गई है और ये बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रही है, तब आपको लॉकडाउन लगा के अपने लिए यू बाय सम टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ, आप अपने लिए थोड़ा सा और समय ले लीजिए। कोरोना स्लो हो जाएगा, नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स थोड़े कम हो जाएंगे, ताकि अपने आप बेड और बढ़ा लें, ऑक्सीजन और ख़रीद लें, बीपेप मशीन्स और बाईपेप मशीन्स और ख़रीद लें। ये सारी जब तैयारी हो जाए फिर आप लॉकडाउन को तो अभी दिल्ली के अंदर जो स्थिति है, दिल्ली में अभी फ़िलहाल हेल्थ सिस्टम हमारा कंट्रोल में है। लेकिन अगर केसेस मान लीजिए कल को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ जाते हैं और हमारे यहाँ बेड नहीं बचते, हमारे यहाँ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर नहीं बचते, आईसीयू नहीं बचते, तो हो सकता है फिर हमें इसको स्लो करने के लिए थोड़े दिन के लिए लॉकडाउन लगाना पड़े, ताकि हम अपनी हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़ को और ज़्यादा तेज़ी से एक्सपैंड कर सकें। लेकिन लॉकडाउन जो है कोरोना का समाधान नहीं है।
Amidst an unprecedented surge in coronavirus cases in the country for nearly 30 lakh students, these are extremely uncertain times. This is coming as the chorus grows for board examinations to be cancelled. Here is our report.
For nearly 30 lakh students, these are uncertain times. An unprecedented health crisis has cast a shadow on their futures. With the second coronavirus wave sweeping through the country, chorus is growing for board exams to be cancelled.
6 लाख बच्चे दिल्ली में सीबीएसई के एग्ज़ाम में बैठेंगे। 1 लाख के करीब टीचर्स इसमें शामिल होंगे। ये बहुत बड़े हॉटस्पॉट्स बन सकते हैं। बच्चों की ज़िंदगी, बच्चों की सेहत, बच्चों का स्वास्थ्य हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेरी हाथ जोड़ के केंद्र सरकार से अपील है कि सीबीएसई के एग्ज़ाम्स को कैंसिल किया जाए।
16-year-old Aryan is preparing for the test of his life. A student of GD Goenka School in Delhi, he's studying for Class 10 CBSE exams that are scheduled to be held offline from May 4th.
I'm surely conflicted about giving the exams offline after this new strain has come out, and it is like a matter of conflict, because obviously it is a very risky environment around people you don't know and you know. And as we know that social distancing is hard to maintain between the students. So in that environment, it is very risky to give the exams offline.
Parents, though, are divided. While some want exams to be held online, others want the boards to be cancelled completely.
My only concern is, what if something happens? What if something happens during the examination time? We are not sure about anything. So naturally, totally anxious, what is going to happen? Because this is a career year. The year will get wasted. As a parent, it's really difficult.
How many tests are you going to get done? If there are 6 papers to be taken by the student, are they going to take 6 tests over there? I think they should really focus on the online system. That is going to be the most secured way. Otherwise, that is really going to be very stressful for not only the parents, but what we are more concerned about is basically our children, like, you know.
While there is no word yet from the HRD ministry or the CBSE, the board's exam controller told India Today that all precautions are being taken for offline exams.
Now, crowd will be also less during the examination because of the number of increase of examination center. Now we are having a lesser number of students allotted to one school.
But will the exams be called off given the mass explosion of infections?
Is there a possibility that exams are going to be postponed?
साहब सर इसको जवाब को मैं कुछ है ना क्रिकेट टीम की तरीके से देना चाहूंगा पाकिस्तान की इंशाल्लाह हम सब कुछ ठीक करेंगे.
For now, looks like the exams are not being postponed or cancelled. But is it worth putting the lives of millions of children at risk?
Well, definitely not just the students, but the parents. Both are worried at this point of time because there's double pressure. Not just the performance, but also the fact that you have to stay safe from COVID-19. For now, parents request that an online examination seems to be a viable option, but the question is that will the infrastructure be strong enough to conduct examinations throughout the country for CBSE students? With Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.